How to manage leave and leave policies in workforce application. For this, click on leave and holiday. Click here leave types. Leave types of just leave names, which leaves is using in your organization, like casual leave or leave, sick leave, any other leave, comp off leave. These are just the leave types. These leave types will be used in leave group. Click on leave group and create new leave group or modify leave group as per your leave criteria. Like a zonal leave group, you may allow other way, and gender wise you may allow in other way. Then you have to create multiple leave group, otherwise create single leave group. Click on I'm modifying this leave group. Click here. All the leave master will be shown here. You have to give the leave group name like any zone or any name here. Your leave year, is it from January to December or April to March? You have to define the start month here. Leave period is from each month. Leave is flying like January to December or April to March. You have to define here. Any remarks? And as per leave type selected in this grid, data will be loaded here. Click on edit or add new rule and the leave group here. Modify here. These are the leave rules, like the selected leave, how much for whole year, like 12, credit monthly or once. Then select credit monthly credit. You have to put here value. Carry forward allowed or not allowed. Not allowed means it will be left at the end of the leave year. Maximum carry forward, you can, if you are allowing the leave carry forward, then you can freeze the value how much maximum allowed. Negative leave allowed or not allowed. If negative allowed, you may adjust in next year also. Applicable for both gender or only male or only female. Leave in cash allowed or not allowed. Maximum in cash in a month, in cash frequency in a whole year. Keep leave balance after in cash. You can put the value maximum continue leave allowed, maximum monthly leave allowed, request allowed by the employee or not. Employee TL will assign only, visible to employee or not. Lapsed after month. Eligible if joining date, suppose company freezing that if employee join before 15th of the month, then only he can get leave for that month. In same way, left date you have to define. Attachment requirement or not. Any backup employee is mandatory or not, you have to define here. Leave not allowed to backup employee. If you allow leave, then freeze the backup employee to do not take the leave. There is option. Request accepted. Criteria you can set here. Minimum working days required in the company to eligible that leave. Any color, you can define the color for that leave and click on update. That setting will be saved in the leave group. Thank you.